Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Nina, and today I'm going to be showing you how I created budget-friendly custom picture frames that look high-end. I found these vintage-inspired frames at Goodwill, then paired them with some beautiful artwork that I designed on Canva and printed at Walmart. So if you want to learn how to create your own art frames, grab a snack and stay tuned. To get started, I'm using a few beautiful thrifted frames I found at Goodwill. Each one was under $5. And I love the vintage inspired look they have. I'm using these beautiful landscape oil painting inspired prints that I found on Canva. I love the vintage feel. It looks like something you'd find in a cozy little cottage. For my first frame, I'm loving this slim antique style frame that I scored for just $1.99. It has such a classic timeless feel, and I'm pairing it with a vintage inspired print to really highlight the old world charm. To make sure the print stays snug and doesn't shift around in the frame, I just added a pamphlet behind it for extra support. Super simple, but it works perfectly to keep everything in place, especially if the frame is a little deeper or doesn't come with a backing. As you can see, it turned out so beautiful. It honestly looks like something I'd find at Hobby Lobby for well over $20. Moving on to my next piece. As you can see, the print I chose was just a little too big for this frame, but that was an easy fix. I simply trimmed the edges to make it fit perfectly. I also decided to remove the glass to give it more of that vintage textured feel, like an old painting you'd find in an antique shop, and love how much character it gave to this piece. Now for my third frame. As you can see, the picture was a little too small for this frame, so what I did was add some brown crafting paper behind it. It not only fills the space nicely, but it also adds a beautiful rustic feel. And here are the final results of these vintage inspired frames. I absolutely love how they turned out. Each piece now has so much charm and character. I placed this one next to my coffee station, and it instantly elevated the space. It adds such a cozy, curated vibe. I added this little one to my entryway, and I just love how charming it looks paired next to my other art frame. It adds such a warm, welcoming touch right as you walk in. This last one found a home in my entertainment center, and I love how much cozier it makes this little corner feel. I'm so happy with how these thrifted frames turned out. If you enjoy this DIY, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more budget-friendly home decor ideas. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye friends!